Hey everybody, this is Brian from Carving is Fun, and today I'm going to share with you my review on the Old Timer Splinter carving knife here. This is the 240 OT model. Now what you get in the box is just literally the knife right here. It does come with a bunch of different tools on there. It has, like, let's go over them. You have your hook knife there. Come on. There you go. The right-handed gouge scorp. This one should be the regular straight gouge. Come on. Then the right-handed V-scorp. Your detail knife. And your chisel. Now this doesn't come with a locking mechanism like your flex cut carbon jack does. Each of the tools on here do lock in place, but that's fine. This one is actually a lot easier to open up compared to the carbon jack, so there's a little bit of a trade-off. Now this knife is also very, very affordable. I got mine for 18 bucks. That is not a bad price for all the tools you get in there. I think that puts each tool, what, like $3 each or something like that. So pretty good affordable price when compared to its only real competition, which is the carbon jack. This one is $120 to $150 knife. Pretty dang good price for what you're getting with this, but for me there's still a lot of things on there that could be done better. We're gonna do a little quick spoon on here. Right off the bat, I'll just tell you, this does not cut anywhere near as nice as the flex cut variant. So this is probably gonna be more of a rougher spoon than I did for that review. I'll just do it real quick. Yeah, out of the box, this thing does need a lot of work. It's not the best tool. Now I noticed that some of the cutting edges on the knife too were not flat. Like on, oh, which one was it? I think it was, yeah, it was the little straight gouge. It's going to be hard for me to show you in the video, but the top is not perfectly flat. It's kind of wavy. It's strange grind on it, but again, sub $20 knife, it's all right. You just really have to work the tools to your liking here. This is more of a, like, I would say it's more like a project knife, so don't expect it to be amazing right out of the package. You're definitely getting what you pay for out of this. If you want a higher quality one, yeah, go ahead and grab that flex cut variant. You'll be fine with that. I'll have a video comparing the two in more detail compared to each other, but this video is mainly going to be about the Splinter carbon knife here. Oof. I think I should have worked that knife edge a little bit more, or honed it back up again. It does not cut anywhere near as nice as the flex cut version. There. Now me personally, would I buy this knife again? Nah, it's gonna be a hard pass. No, I would not buy this knife. Now if you want something cheap with a bunch of tools on it, yeah, sure, it'd be kind of cool. I mean, if I'm gonna be out camping and whatnot, I'm not necessarily gonna be going and making spoons, which is pretty much what I would only see these kind of knives being useful for like a general whittler. Like for me, I carry my flex cut whittling jack with me everywhere. It has the two knives on there that I use the most. Yeah, I'd probably just stick with that one if I'm going to be whittling on the go. It's noted it is a bit more expensive than this knife, but it's more affordable than the Carbon Jack. Alright. Do a quick little knife, or quick little spoon here. Alright. I noted I did put a decent amount of work into each of the tools here before I made the video. I made them quite a bit sharper than what they originally were. They, like I said earlier, they need a lot of work to get them decent enough to actually use, because most of them you might actually end up hurting yourself if you didn't do anything with it. Let's see. And one of the other things I found about this knife is there's a lot of flex to it. Like I didn't like that at all with it. I mean, and also with this chisel, like if I accidentally move off to the side, since it doesn't lock, it can be a pain in the butt to keep straight, or it might close on you. But since it's not a traditional white knife, you're gonna be okay. Ugh. Yeah. Like I said, this knife is not necessarily the best. For what you're getting out of it, you're getting pretty poor results. It's starting to hurt my hand too. No. Alright, you know what? I mean, I want to finish this knife up with this tool, but we're going to switch over to the flex cut variant. It's starting to aggravate my hand here. There we go. Much easier to carve with. But still, for 20 bucks, the the Splinter is pretty dang good. The Carbon Jack that I have in my hand here, much better quality, much better knife, but again, there's a major leap in price tag. Now, for me, since I work mainly at a bench, I would not be wanting to get any of these multi-tools. They'd be good for if you're always on the go and always camping and whatnot. I mean, I'm all for having a cool multi-tool. I carry one with me all the time, but I use that one every day. I doubt I'm going to use either one of these every day. They're more or less if you're going to be like camping and just want something cool to whittle with. There we go. I'll leave it at that. Silly little spoon. There we go. But yeah, pretty neat little knife for what it is. I mean, it's cheap. You're not getting a whole lot of knife for the money. It's not perfectly ground down, like they still have the rivet pin sticking up right there, but it's decent. If you want it, go ahead and grab it. Yeah, if you liked the video, go ahead and feel free to like and subscribe. I got a bunch of other knife reviews on here, including the Carbon Jack. I've got several other ones on here. I do have a lot of comparison videos, and I also have these two knives compared against each other. Alright, thanks for watching, folks. Hope you have yourselves a good day.